Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to quickly show you how you can separate pages inside Affinity. First thing you need to get to this layout studio profile right here, and of course it's more than one page to work with, so I will add a few extra pages here. So let's just make it 4 in total. So you on this section pages you add right here more pages. Number of pages, let's say 4. Sorry, I will delete one, and then now let's say I want the first two pages to stay together, this page 1 and page 2, and 3 and 4 to be in their own section. To do that, just right click the page where you want the split to start. In my case, that's the page number 3. After right clicking, choose uh, start section. Right here you will see a settings window appear, and this is where we can manage section. You will notice section 1 currently includes page 1 and page 2, and section 2 contains page 3 and page 4, so right away the pages are separate. And if you want to move the starting page of a section, you can simply adjust the number. Right, start on page, I can do 4, hit enter, and you see that this section changed. As you can see, section 1 will have now page 1 to 3, and section 2 will begin at page 4 instead. You can also keep adding more section if you are working on a larger document. And that's basically it. That's how you separate pages into different sections in Affinity. If this helped you out, feel free to subscribe to the channel. It really supports me and helps the content grow. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.